You are what you digest, the secret superpower inside you. Hey you! Yeah, you sitting right there. Did you know that every single day, you eat up to 6 pounds of food? That's more than a small bowling ball. And in your whole life, you'll eat almost 30,000 kilograms. That's like 5 elephants worth of food. But here's the coolest part. Every bite you eat goes on an amazing journey inside your body. And that journey, it's not just about food. It's about energy, power, and becoming the best version of you. Cyclone, meet your body's secret superpower, the digestive system. Inside you is a powerful machine made up of 10 organs working like a team. They stretch out to almost 30 feet long, like the length of a small school bus. This system turns the pizza you love, the fruit you snack on, and even that boring salad, into pure energy that helps you move, think, grow, and glow. Let's take a ride through this wild world inside you. Fork and Knife with Plate, Part 1. The starting line, your mouth. Digestion starts before the food even hits your tongue. Just thinking about your favorite meal, that already wakes up your mouth. It fills with spit, called saliva, to get ready for action. Then you chew. Crunch, mash, mix. Boom. You've just made something called a bolus, a soft little food ball. Sounds funny, right? But that ball is about to go on a ride. Railway track, Part 2. The food slide, esophagus to stomach. The bolus slides down a tube called the esophagus, like a water slide inside your body. It lands in your stomach, which is kind of like a muscle-Y blender. Your stomach doesn't just hold food, it smashes it, mixes it, and soaks it in juices that are full of acid and enzymes. Why? To break it down into something your body can use. Fuel. Think of it like turning a log into firewood to keep a fire burning. That fire is you, your energy, your strength, your spark. Test tube, Part 3. The magic lab, small intestine. Now the food is a thick smoothie called chyme. It heads into the small intestine, where the real magic happens. Your liver, pancreas, and gallbladder all jump in to help. They send juices and bile, like superhero potions, to break the food into tiny parts. Fats turn into building blocks for your brain. Proteins become amino acids, like Lego bricks for your muscles. Carbs become glucose, your body's fuel. Inside the intestine are millions of finger-like helpers called villi. They grab all those good bits and send them into your blood, the delivery system of life. Everything you eat becomes you. Toilet, Part 4. The cleanup crew, large intestine. Now the body takes what's left, stuff it can't use, like fiber and dead cells, and sends it to the colon, where water is taken out, and what's left becomes, yep, poop. Not glamorous, but important. Because your body knows when it's time to let go of what it doesn't need. Sometimes we need to do that with bad thoughts too, right? Glowing star, the twist. You are not just what you eat, you're what you digest. Here's the big idea. It's not just about what you eat. It's about how your body breaks it down, uses it, and turns it into you. Your body is a genius system, a superhero team, a transformer factory. And you're the captain. Brain flexed biceps. So the next time you eat, ask yourself, am I feeding my energy, my dreams, my life? Speech balloon, final thought. Transform from the inside out. Changing your life doesn't always start on the outside. It starts inside, with how you fuel yourself. Better food equals better digestion. Better digestion equals better energy. Better energy equals better you. So eat smart. Chew slow. Let your body do its thing. Because your digestion isn't just keeping you alive. It's helping you become unstoppable.